See how fast I can go to 3 points. If you're taking notes, you probably have a hard time finding 3 points, because I had a hard time. Ezekiel 34, now I'm going to go from the start of verse 17. And as for you, O my flock, thus saith the Lord God, behold, I judge between cattle and cattle, between the rams and the he-goats. Seemeth it a small thing unto you to have eaten up the good pasture? But you must tread down with your feet the residue of your pastures. To have drunk the deep waters, but you must foul the residue with your feet. And as for my flock, they eat that which you have trodden with your feet. They drink that which you have fouled with your feet. Therefore, thus saith the Lord God unto them, behold, I, even I, will judge between the fat cattle and between the lean cattle. Because you have thrust with the side and with the shoulder, and pushed all the disease with your horns, till you have scattered them abroad. Therefore will I save my flock. They shall no more be a prey, and I will judge between cattle and cattle. What does that say when we break it down into modern English? God is looking, he's saying, you were here to draw people in. You took all the good stuff for yourself and didn't want to leave anything for the others. Once you'd eaten all you wanted, you went ahead and messed up what was left. And God's not pleased. He says, you drank the good water, you drank the good stuff, but once you had drank, instead of leaving it, you went in there and you mucked it all up with your feet. So that the others, the diseased ones, the broken ones, the poor ones couldn't find anything, and they had to take the stuff that you had already ruined, and God says, I'm not happy. Loose translation. That's what it is. See, it also means that we stand on guard against those that would come in and muddy the waters with their feet, so that the searchers can't find refreshment. As a church, we all have that job. Somebody comes in and they want to start muddying up what's going on here, you stop it. Why? Because God doesn't like it. People come in that are searching for Jesus. They're coming in and they're searching for help. And they start running into people that are busy running this down and running that down. And they don't need it or want it. They need somebody that can encourage them and help them. And each one of us has the job of being able to do that, provide that quarantine around those. See, many times people with a religious spirit will come in and they try to destroy the life that God is bringing to the place. Like a dog in a manger. They don't want it for themselves, but they don't want anybody else to have it either. Stop it, church. We can stop it when that happens. We can say no more. It's time. If we want to be a New Testament church, these are things that need to be taken to the forefront in a stronger way than we ever have before. We've tasted, we've seen a little bit, but there is so much more. And my prayer is that as God continues the work that He's doing here, that even in this year we're just going to see this multiply. You know, you're never going to know what it's like, what Christianity is like, until you start dealing with somebody that is in the wrong place at the wrong time. Until you get over your prejudices, until you get past where you should be, or should have, where you get past yourself and start seeing others. Why? It brings life. We can all do that. Father, I thank you that you have called us to bring life. That you have called us to bring truth. That you have called us, Father, to reach those that need you. I pray, Father, even this morning, that you would just speak these words alive, and that we might reorganize our own priorities, Father. That we could fix on the things that you fix on. That Jesus would be lifted up and glorified, Father, and that you be glorified.